We see this wall, which we wanted to wallpaper, but it had gotelé or stucco, and that made it very difficult for him. Placement. If you want to see how we stick it, and achieving quite an impressive outcome regardless of what you're observing, watch the following video. The wall in question had moisture from condensation. Consequently, we were required to administer a stain treatment to him, of which I leave you a link at the end of the video, explaining how we did it in detail. Once we had her cured, we wanted to give her another look. Wallpapering it. So our first choice, it was to place wallpaper, but instead of the classic one that is glued, we tried this one which was adhesive.
It's me for me, which is the wall.
Being a thin paper, the truth is that it was difficult to place. Other than that, you find that the walls are not always perfect 90-degree squares. Despite the drawbacks, we continue to wallpaper. To finally give us, he says it didn't fit well, and we had to take everything out and undo the work that was done. In thinking about various solutions, what we absolutely didn't want to do was beat ourselves up by removing the stucco or smoothing it out with paste. Not even with the sander can it be achieved. So we went to a center, DIY, as you can always see the product better. Exploring on the internet, we discovered the information we were seeking. He had a lot of variety of rolls. We wanted them to be thick.
This is pretty good.
So you wouldn't notice the gotelé. Did we like this model? That mimicked a white brick wall. And honestly, it was quite thick and dense. It stuck with the classic tale, lifetime wallpaper.
And this is a complete painting kit with everything you'll need.
Applying the paste was quite straightforward. We started by using the adhesive and afterward positioned the paper. We carefully cut through the socket area to examine the result. It turned out very well. We love the result, and the good thing is that since it is a very thick paper, you don't notice it at all. Gotelé or stucco behind it. If you liked the video, I hope you like it. And if you would like to see the headboard that we have chosen as a final touch, which had a classic touch. Well, not so classic. The truth is that it is much more modern. If you want to see its montage and how it looks, don't miss the following video. Greetings.